Good morning, Jun. Another beautiful day to dance. Today, I'll make an omelette. First, let's add the eggs. Whisk them slowly for a fluffy texture. Now, into the pan. In goes the rice. And now for the veggies. Smells wonderful. I live alone, but mornings like this feel full. Breakfast first, then dance. This looks perfect. Now for a little spice. Time to enjoy. Eating well gives me energy. A dancer needs strength. I am going to the dance studio. Good morning, June. Good morning. I am going to the dance studio.
You always look happy.
I am a dancer. Dance makes me smile.
Yes! Relax your shoulders and feel the music.
All right, let's go. Wave those arms high. Great energy. Now dip and clap. Extend wide. Feel that stretch. Step it out. Keep it flowing. One more time. Reach up high.
You always look so calm.
Dance is not only movement, it is feeling.
Again, everyone, smile while dancing.
What would you like to order? I will have bibimbap and iced tea, please. Excellent choice. I'll be right back. June, you teach morning and evening classes. Aren't you tired?
A little, but dance gives me energy.
Fresh apples and oranges.
I will take some apples, bread, and vegetables.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good evening. Cooking dinner in the kitchen. Stir it slowly so it cooks evenly. I wake up, I eat, I teach, I dance. This is my life. I am Lim Jun and I am a dancer.